Thickening systems undertake not only solid liquid separation of mineral slurry but also determine the resource utilization efficiency and long-term operating costs of the entire project. Our PRS thickeners feature the following prominent advantages. We deliver turnkey plants for clients by completing civil, process and electrical design of the whole system, helping customers cut costs, save labor, reduce space occupation, and shorten construction timelines. Under identical working conditions, higher efficiency brings greater revenue for customers. Smaller tank diameter reduces capital expenditure. The overall material recovery rate of our thickening system can reach up to 99%. For large-scale mining projects, every 1% improvement in separation efficiency can generate substantial long-term economic returns. This 1% performance gap stems from relentless technical optimization and innovation at PRS. We are committed to boosting operational efficiency and delivering tangible benefits to our customers. Customized design for diverse working conditions, such as seismic zones, frigid high-altitude regions, and high-temperature environments, to ensure long service life and maintenance-free operation. Prior to manufacturing, we conduct structural analysis and engineering calculations for equipment based on local project conditions. Simulation verification covering mineral slurry load, wind load, seismic actions and other factors is carried out to continuously optimize design solutions. We supply large-scale thickeners with a maximum diameter of 100 meters, providing professional engineering solutions for electrowinning copper plants of all sizes. Strict quality control for worry-free operation, after continuous optimization of design schemes and cross-checks by our engineering team, stringent quality and production efficiency control is implemented in every procedure, ranging from raw material inspection, welding, assembly, and anti-corrosion treatment to commissioning. Itemized testing is performed on hydraulic systems, drive mechanisms and control systems. In addition, power loss nitrogen emergency rake lifting tests are conducted to guarantee safe equipment operation in the event of unexpected power outages. In short, lowering costs and raising efficiency for customers defines our core value. Contact us now. We look forward to in-depth communication with you.